friends. In this tutorials, we're going to talk about PostgreSQL. So PostgreSQL is how to download it and all. And as we go further, we'll be creating tables and all the DCL, DML, DDL, TCL, all the operations we'll be doing in this PostgreSQL tutorials. Okay, so altogether there are going to be some 20 videos, very small, simple videos teaching you almost everything about SQL, specifically about PostgreSQL. To start with, we'll have to install PostgreSQL. Now I've already installed it, but I'd like to tell you the steps. You just have to search download PostgreSQL for Windows. You can go here. Okay, so go for PostgreSQL. Here you can look out for Windows. Okay, so you can look out for Windows over here. These are the options. Okay, you can go to download the installer. Once you reach here, now just see that what is supported. Okay, now Windows 8632 is not supported, but nowadays all Windows are 8664, so you don't have to worry. Though the latest version right now is 18.4, when I started making these videos and when I was teaching it for my students, I have installed 15.18 version. So it is okay even if you go for the latest version, no problem. But all the videos are shot with the version of 15.18. So you just have to go there, click on this download. Okay, once you click on this, your download will begin in some time, and you can see here your download has done. Once your download is done, students, you just have to go to the next option, put a password. Okay, let me tell you, remember that password very well. Normally the password that we put is 1234, okay, or ROOT. These are the two very basic passwords that are given for PostgreSQL. So you can do that. And once students, your software is installed, everything is done. So let me tell you, let me just close this for you. Okay. This is how your PostgreSQL will look like. Okay, this is how it will look when you will open it. There will be a server by default. When you click on it, it will have PostgreSQL. Now that we have made some databases will be there. And in the database, students, most important is your Postgres database. This is what we will be writing all your queries in. Okay, so this is all about a PostgreSQL. We are using pgadmin 4. Okay, for doing all that. So you can directly install PostgreSQL and you can start this tutorial. Thank you so much.